Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix IHSS Timesheet login errors, quick troubleshooting guide step by step clearly. If you encounter login errors while accessing the IHSS Timesheet system, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure that you are using the correct website link for the IHSS Timesheet portal. Next, double-check your username and password for any typing errors. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. When you receive the password reset email, follow the instructions carefully to create a new password. If you're still unable to log in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If the problem persists, consider trying a different browser or device to access the portal. Make sure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it as it may interfere with the login process. Check your browser settings to ensure that JavaScript is enabled. If you're logged in but unable to submit your timesheet, review the system for any notifications or alerts. Ensure that all necessary fields in the timesheet are accurately completed before submission. If you continue to face issues, reach out to the IHSS support team for further assistance. Provide them with details of the error message you are receiving for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve login errors efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.